My name is Abhamisha. I will present you a speech, a performance. My concept is junk food vs healthy food. So I have some questions. So are you like junk food? Are you like healthy food? So someone say I don't like junk food, and someone say I like junk food much. And I have a story. So let's go to the story. So one day I say to my mom that mom, can you give me a tasty food in that day? So my mom rolled the chapati, and my mom said, go your room. I don't give you tasty food. Healthy food is good. You know that in junk food have corn flour, and corn flour is stuck on your body. It's create a big problem. And then I was sad and go to my room. And after sometimes I come and say my mom that mom, if you don't give me tasty food, so give me, don't give me healthy food. And then I go to my school. Then in lunch, my stomach is very hungry, and I was very hungry. And then when I check my bag, so bag has also a lunch. I take and open the lunch. So lunch have healthy food. I smell. I don't like the smell. And then I close and having got it. And then I come to the home. So my mom says you don't have food. Then I don't talk to my mom, and I'm going to my tuition. Then when I come to tuition, so mom say I say your teacher that you don't lunch in lunch time, breakfast. So I said, yes, ma'am. Okay, yes, ma'am. Okay, you say. Then my mom said to teacher, I was very scared that when I go to school, so my teacher is very beat me that why you don't lunch in lunch time. Then I was go to my school, and then I explained everything to teacher that this thing and my teacher said that this is your mother is correct, and you incorrect. You are incorrect what you say to your mom. Your mom is say that it is correct that your mom say that junk food has control that is stuck on your body. Junk food has noisy bugs that in that when you having so when you having you are dying. So that's why you don't eat junk food. If you eat tasty food, so you take mother paneer and all that have don't corn flour, and that have those oily patches, and this things. Take healthy food, but you can important of your body. Thank you.